Welcome to my channel, and today we'll do Kinilaw from golden rabbitfish. Actually, I will not only do but also watch how local people do it in Philippines. So this golden rabbitfish was just caught in the sea and it's absolutely fresh and it was alive 1 minute ago. So first of all we remove the fillet from the fish, just roughly chop it off and use bones just for frying and eating later on. But fillet is nice for Kinilaw because rabbit fishes are very tasty for Kinilaw. It's not necessary to remove small bones because in Kinilaw all bones will be not melted but will be very soft in vinegar. So this fillet you just need to chop it without removing bones. Slice it in bite-sized pieces and it will be enough for preparing fillet. Because rabbit fish do not have big bones and small bones are okay in Kinilaw. So slice it like that. It's not necessary to do anything else with the fillet. So in this bowl we do 1 portion of Kinilaw for 1 person, for me. So for the Kinilaw you need to have ginger, lime, chili and onion. Also, if you like, you can add a little bit of sea salt to the dish. Ginger, this is Thai ginger, which I don't like. It's very sharp in taste and very hard texture. But whatever we've got today, just slice it in small warm pieces. Then onion, it's a local red onion, and not very sharp, quite mild. Chop it roughly, don't make very thin slices. Yes. In restaurants they can cut it even bigger. And as I've told you, I don't like tomatoes in Kinilaw, so that's why I will not use tomatoes. So add onion there and chili. Bird's eye chili is very, very hot, so don't add too much. Make sure that you can eat it later on. So half of small chili for 1 portion, I think it's almost far too much. And add juice of 1 or 2 Calamansi. Calamansi is small local lime. That's it. Now a little bit of coconut vinegar. It's a little bit of have white color, so you think that it's some bits from coconut is there, and it's quite nice aroma of this vinegar and compare with just normal malt vinegar. Little bit of mix and you can sit on the seaside and eat it piece by piece, and it's absolutely delicious fish. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and wait for an interesting video about food and cooking in England and Philippines. Thank you, bye!